Greeting, and welcome back to Wilderness Cooking. Today, I'll be more than happy to show you the day among the marvelous Azerbaijani mountains, where nature and human are connected and respect each other. Stay with me to see incredible project of the oven and delicious recipe. On my channel, you can see more picturesque landscapes and wonderful food. Please subscribe and click the bell to be always updated. Walking through long serpentines and swift streams, you can confirm how tiny we are compared to Her Majesty nature, but also you feel like a part of incredibly smart system. When you respect every fly and every stone, you feel you have an important role in it. I found a big log and it will come in handy. Some tools job and it's going to be perfect. I made a kind of a bridge to cross the stream. It's so fast and strong, so even I feel defenseless looking at this. So it's better not to try to fight with water element, but find my own way. I love everything about mountains. It's not only beautiful by high hills and green trees, the unique smell of the forests, herbs, berries, and ground, the sounds of streams' water and birds, that what can make me really happy and relaxed. My today's project is very interesting. Azerbaijani nature is famous by diversity of resources, and I know a place far away in the mountain forest where we can find a clay. We're almost here. But for beginning, I need some big branches. And all this long way was not only to enjoy, but also to get to this nice place. It can seem crazy, but this will be my own for today. Believe me, it's going to be a very delicious dinner. It's a very old way I bet you've never heard before, but let me know in the comments if you've ever seen it. The oven must be as clean as possible, or we'll have dust and bits of dirt as seasonings in the dish. And now, better to heat before start cooking. In the forest, you can find a lot of stuff for making fire. It'll give the food special smoke notes. But always be careful and don't let the fire get close to other plants. Take care about the nature. And suddenly I realized one interesting thing. Here, far away from civilization and modern technologies, I can see all the nature elements in their normal condition in the same time. Water of the streams, flame of the fire, ground where everything grows, and air, the freshest ever. It's a miracle. I thought about this construction for a long time, made a lot of sketches, and read a lot. But when I've just started, it stopped to seem that difficult. Your hard working and motivation is stronger than every stone. Guys, I have an Instagram account where post a lot of interesting about food. Follow me not to miss the news. This is going to be my table. Being in hike doesn't mean not to care about comfort if you don't ruin the area and work with natural materials you found on the ground. Today's delicacy are meat and vegetables, and I'm sure it's going to be a unique aroma and taste, even with the simplest ingredients. It doesn't matter you're in hike or on your kitchen, you'll need a good knife. If you want to support this channel, you can take a look on our online shop. We can offer not only knives, but a lot of interesting kitchenware for your food masterpieces. We'll be happy to deliver it everywhere. I didn't want to bring my whole collection of seasonings. Garlic, salt, and a lot of love is what I need today. Sure, I put a lot of love to all the food, and today it's going to be the main seasoning. The combo of meat and vegetables is very popular in Azerbaijan. There are a lot of ancient and modern recipes for roasting, stewing, grilling, and frying. We use it for kebabs, soups, and salads. By the way, the kind of calling card for our cuisine is adding dried fruits to these combos. If you want to know more about Azerbaijani cuisine and traditions, please follow my Insta. I can barely imagine being in a wild and don't have lavash with me. This genius type of dough products was invented thousands years ago. It helps to keep the food from the wind and very comfortable to eat everywhere because your filling cannot fall and you need no cutlery. You can see my handmade oven works wonderful. Vegetables and meat looks perfect and, the most important, are ready. Don't be worried, it's not burnt. I'll peel it and you'll see I'm not lying. That's all because of physical processes the peel goes through. I wish you can smell the aroma of vegetables. Smoky smell, waking up the appetite. But I'll need to finish the dish. Finally, it's time for the main ingredient. So much meat, but I'm also very hungry and need a lot of protein after hiking and building. When I was a teen, I liked to explore new places with my friends. And after that, when you're tired and hungry, that much to eat even a tree bark, you remember about the fabric bundle your mom or grandmom gave to you. There was some meat, fruits, and bread, and nothing was much more delicious that moment. Now I eat and remember these warm, happy days. And this kind of a dinner, still my favorite. Simple, nutritious, looking at the forest, and breathing the mountain's air. I wish you to have a dinner like that at least once in your life to feel these breathtaking emotions and joy. Please subscribe and like the video. It's a big motivation for me. Thanks for watching and see you soon on Wilderness Cooking.